Game finds Moremi. Butuma, the challenge from Phillies. Lovely from Mufokeng. Sonroyan. And the touch from Phillies, and then off the heads of Khadebe. Back with Orlando Pirates. Many more for former club Lesotho than he's managed for Pirates so far, but this was superb.
Well, stayed nice and disciplined. It's all about that in-swinger from Moremi. An unlikely target. See the movement there, and Butuma comes short. It's played wide. One touch to control, and a delightful ball played into the box there. And a sublime finish there from Mufokeng rather. And gets the lead for Orlando Pirates. It's really Mufokeng. Back-to-back goals.
Ifaka futhi cross 10 kodwa ke foot the post from AmaZulu. Mufokeng defense splitting pass yasanda ibola uMoremi Oko Mufokeng Bata Moremi cross Butuma inalo abantu kodwa ke bekongomfokeng hluleka ke ukushaya ke net ayiplace Staples ePlaza Kujamo athi amakhanda wafana awubheke la buso bamapali athe ixophelisa ayaqhiwe futhi ibhola Thomas Bam Butuma foul kuna ne offside Nadia adungakanani uthanda umfana wabo ihamba futhi lapha ke ibhola yangena lapha Orlando Pirates ayomnyama sikho police ke Quantos bheka nje manje yanyakaza futhi ibhola Shanghana Moba sazini kujamo bhekwa police sudwa ibhola ndaba yakhe your story is our story uthi ukecha njani na buka lapha Devils Brazil Gojamo Agaspege Angagana para Andre Diong Schopas Kumasipam Hey Mtanam Bunga na pumakopa Bukumakopa Mtanam Warolo 10 to go Hey Mtanam Makopa Babona bonke Makopa yebo wenzile Mufokeng kodwa Makopa siyabona la prage Makopa Mufokeng Shaleyo Shanga Zimnyama ziyamenyeza Zimnyama